This spicy, sweet, and savory honey garlic tofu with roasted broccoli all comes together on one sheet pan. It is absolutely delicious, and I cannot wait to show you how to make it. This is one of those easy weeknight meals that I make when I just don't want to stand over the stove. I throw the tofu and broccoli in the oven, throw some rice into the Instant Pot, and then I can go fold some laundry or hang out with my kid or play some Animal Crossing. First, we'll get the tofu marinating, then prep the rest of the ingredients, then put it all together. Let's do it! Combine soy sauce with lime juice and agave nectar. Agave nectar is your honey substitute because this honey garlic tofu is vegan. In the recipe, I call for 3 cloves of garlic, but my cloves were on the small side, so I did more like 5 cloves. As with any recipe calling for garlic, just follow your heart. You'll also need sriracha, chopped green onion, some toasted sesame oil for flavor, but you can omit it if you don't have it or you just don't want to use it. And then we're going to boost the flavor even more with a little bit of garlic powder. Mix that all together and your sauce is ready. This sauce doubles as the marinade for your tofu. Tear your tofu into bite-sized pieces. Tearing your tofu instead of dicing it increases the surface area. It gives it a more chicken-like texture, and all of those little bumps and ridges from tearing it soak up even more of the marinade more quickly. Now set the tofu aside to marinate while you line a baking pan with parchment paper and slice up your broccoli. Pull the tofu out of the marinade using a fork or a slotted spoon and arrange it on one half of your baking sheet. Arrange the broccoli on the other half. Spray the broccoli with some oil, sprinkle on some salt and pepper, and you're ready to bake. The broccoli bakes in about 15 to 20 minutes, so at that point, start checking on it, and when it's looking just a little browned on the edges, pull the pan out of the oven and remove the broccoli from the pan. At this point, you want to drizzle some more of the marinade over the tofu and toss it together. Before you put the pan back in the oven, also spread the tofu out on the pan, which is going to help it bake even better and help all of that excess liquid cook away. Throw the pan into the oven for about 5-10 more minutes, just until the tofu is cooked to preference. I like to cook it until it starts to darken and brown on some of the edges. While all that bakes in the oven, you have plenty of time to make your rice or boil some noodles or prep some lettuce leaves for lettuce wraps. When the tofu is ready, so is your dinner. I'm serving it with rice today, but I love this with ramen noodles too. You should end up with about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of leftover sauce, and you can drizzle that over the tofu, rice, and broccoli for even more flavor. And I like to sprinkle on some green onions and sesame seeds for extra flavor and crunch. This is a super quick and easy weeknight meal. It is just absolutely delicious. The tofu comes out nice and firm and chewy and full of that delicious sauce. The broccoli is tender with like a little bit of crispiness on the tops. And it is so delicious served over rice or quinoa. You could even stuff it into lettuce wraps. This is a great make-ahead recipe too. You can store the broccoli, tofu, and sauce all together and just warm it up in the microwave when you're ready to serve. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this sheet pan honey garlic tofu. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!